we are in Harajuku because my friend wanted to try this Kokan Saku Saku. Yeah. It's very sweet. Mine is not warm, it's cold. Oh, okay. What's mine? Did I say that mine was warm?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Maybe I got an old one. But it tastes good. It's crunchy and creamy.
So we're on our way to Shibuya 109. We are in Shibuya right now, and we have to look for a new wallet for her. I'm just sitting here because I had to wake up earlier today, and I'm kind of tired. I also forgot several things I wanted to give her. She's just looking at contact lenses now. So I'm just lazing around now. It's quite a rainy day today, but not as rainy as when we went to Asakusa. But I forgot my umbrella. I don't have an umbrella. So we're at my favorite burger store again, Freshness Burger, because she has to try it. Hers not ready yet. Still waiting for her Shiu Lemon Chicken Burger. And of course I got my cranberry lemon soda. So we're finished with our burgers. I like Freshness Burger and the Hawaiian burger store we were at in Ikebukuro. Really recommend those. Now we're going to Tokyo Hands because we want to look for some postcards, because Tokyo Hands is the best place for such things. It's my favorite store.
Warum habe ich denn jetzt plötzlich noch... Achso, weil ich einen zurückgebracht habe.
We're at Shinagawa station. We are going to the aquarium, but we have to buy a Shinkansen ticket first to go to Kyoto. So we just got poorer because we bought a Shinkansen ticket. We tried to look for a night bus, but first of all, if we went by night bus, we would either arrive at 5 o'clock in the morning, or there wouldn't be like any route to Kyoto at all. And many buses were like traveling to Osaka, and that's kind of really inconvenient. So we decided to go by Shinkansen, which is faster, more comfortable, but of course more expensive.
Yeah, but I mean, it was like 40 euros more, and we save 8 hours of driving. So I think that's okay.
Yeah, you're much faster. It would have taken us like 10 hours. 10 hours.
Without a toilet. And
without a
maybe
toilet.
Without a luggage.
Yeah, without luggage. There were buses where you couldn't bring luggage.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
So we decided to go by Shinkansen, which is faster, more comfortable.
Yeah.
And it's an experience.
and you can save money like with a student
Yeah,
discount.
right. Because I'm studying here at the university, like my university offers student discount. I had to print it out the other day at my university, so I got a discount for like 2,000 yen.
2000.
Yeah, something like that. So if you're a student, you can consider that. So you can buy your Shinkansen tickets at the vending machine, but you also can go to the counter if you're unsure about machines, which I am because I usually go to the counters. So we're going to the Shinagawa Aquapark now. So you have to go up the 3rd floor to get to the Aquapark. We're still looking. So you have the ticket counter where you can buy tickets, but also these machines. And I'm just going to buy it from the machine. It's 2,200 for adults. Fast way to purchase tickets in Japan. the designs and all of that stuff, like this light show, it's really cool.
歳、去年24歳でも今年は25を迎える1年となります。大ベテランですね。はい。ちなみにはい。オチもないですが24歳揃ってますので、はい。赤ブルーは行きましょうか。赤
There's a dolphin show and we're waiting for it. And I just want to sit. we're going to get something to drink. Sakura topping. So this is actually a special show. They are holding it until the 16th of April. So I think by the time I upload this vlog, this show will be over. But there are a lot of other shows. This Naked has a lot of light show, beautiful light show. What was this again?
Peach something, I don't know.
Some peach drink for 500 yen. So quite expensive. But I think there's sakura in it. Some berries. Tastes really sweet, but it's delicious. And I got some matcha latte because it was the was the cheapest one for 400 yen. But how much was the matcha latte at the Hello Kitty?
300, 400, I don't know.
Yeah, probably about that.
But it was much more.
Yeah, it's just a small cup. Sour. Cold. Drink that much of this ice. Oh. She just ate a berry that was not so sweet.
Sour and bitter.
So even though, like you saw, that everything's really small, I don't really know about the animal's condition. But if it's like only the show and the way it's like presented, it's really cool. Especially the dolphin show and the jellyfish were my favorite.
Yeah.
Especially the jellyfish, because you could sit there and just watch them. I wish they had like some plants or corals or something like that for the jellyfish, so it would be more natural. Yeah, I think if you're an animal lover, then maybe you shouldn't come here because it could be painful to watch the animal.
Yeah.
But as a show, like as a light show, it's really cool. And this was by Naked. They have a lot of light shows here. I've seen some on Facebook, some advertisement, and they do really cool light shows. Like the one during the dolphin show is also by Naked, and the bar and so on. So if you have the chance to see the collaboration with Naked, then I really recommend it. But if you care too much about animals, I think you might cry.
Yeah, we should mention that it just got has 2 floors, so it's quite small. And we finished our tour around 1 hour. But we watched the dolphin show and we went back to the jellyfish and we drank our drinks. So I think we are here for 3 hours now.
Yeah.
4? I don't know.
Yeah, but I think most of the people are here maybe 2 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours and a half. So, and it was 2,200 yen. So if you if you're looking for a dating spot, I think this would be a good
Yeah.
dating spot. If you want to impress your girlfriend or boyfriend, I don't know. So this aquarium is at the aqua park in Shinagawa. You have to get off at Shinagawa station